Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enable two-step verification on Telegram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So if you want to enable two-step verification on Telegram, you need to open your Telegram first. Now you need to tap on the three lines that is on the left hand side of the corner. Go to settings and simply scroll down and simply tap open to privacy and security. Now you can find the option called two-step verification. Tap on it and tap on set password. Now you need to create an additional password. This adds a layer of security requiring both an SMS code and your password to log in. It is highly recommended to set a recovery email as well. So if you're going to follow this simple and easy method, then you can enable your two-step verification on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.